Hey, Lisa Lucas here. Teach my kiddos about how to make a really cool star out of paper bags. It's not my idea. I found it on the interweb, so I can't claim it, but here's how you do it. You get paper sacks, stack them, glue down the seam and across the bottom. Get your second one, stack it, press it down, again, down the seam, across the bottom of the bag where it's closed. You're going to do this with 7 bags, pressing down really hard. You might want to let that glue dry a little bit. So 7 bags. So when you have your 7 bags all glued together, you are going to draw angled lines, diagonal lines, up to the top. This is the open end of the bag. And then cut those edges off. Okay, this is the bottom, top. Stick your hand in each side and open your star. And you can glue it again, attach it right there, hang it. I sprayed one gold. So very easy, fun weekend activity. How to make your own star to hang in your room.